Mumbai is so dusty. Like, I literally cleaned this 2 days ago and it's already like there's so much dust on it. I think half of my life is just going to go dusting off the tables and chairs and whatnot. Anyway, I'm just sitting here and soaking in the sun because sun's out after a really long time. So yeah, I know you can't tell because it's playing hide and seek. It comes out, then it goes in. I just got done eating the dosa that I had ordered and it just did not hit. I feel money spent on food that doesn't hit is such a waste, and also the filter coffee was so blah. That's because there's this one dosa place in my area which was closed, and almost like for an hour I was checking it every like 10 minutes and it was just not opening, so I had to just give in and like order it from a different place. And now I'm a little sad. I'm also full because I did not want to waste it. So yeah, but I'm not happy. You know, sometimes when you eat food and it just makes you feel happy. Yeah, that did not happen this morning, but that's okay. Also, I miss the times where we used to go out with our parents once in a while, and it used to be such a nice time. Now because of food delivery apps and all of that, it just, I think things are losing its essence. Like, I feel back in the time when, like, you know, my dad used to be like, oh, we're going to eat out this whatever, like this weekend or blah blah blah, and I used to be so excited through the week, like, hey, I'm gonna go out with my parents. And I feel that is just not there anymore, because yeah, you can just order whatever you feel like whenever you feel like. I think, you know, school में हम लोग वो essays लिखते थे ना कि technology a boon or a bane. That's the reality. That's exactly what we are living right now. I feel it's like a double edged sword. That's what I feel. But yeah, just got ready. I'm wearing this really nice top. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, that's the top that I'm wearing. And I just did like a little bit of makeup. I am stepping out. I'm going out and I have to do a couple of things because I'm going on a trip. I don't know if someone's going to join, but I'm going on a trip tomorrow. I quickly wanted to show you guys a couple of PR packages that I've received. The second package that I've received is from CeraVe, and I love the packaging. It's so cool and just so thoughtful. I've never really received or seen anything like this before. And this is how the package looks like. It's so thoughtful. I love it. Give me a hydrating cleanser, then a foaming cleanser, and lastly we also have a headband with some cotton pads and also this sticker. I mentioned the key points on the packaging, which is really cool in my opinion. We are at the topic of cleansing. I quickly wanted to mention a couple of do's and don'ts. The first one has to be cleansing your face only 2 times a day and not more than that. Please avoid using hot water. That's just going to damage your skin, so don't do that. Lastly, make sure that you're using a cleanser that's meant for your skin type. I have an oily skin type, so I'm going to go ahead and use the foaming face wash. This has 3 essential ceramides which helps to maintain skin's natural barrier. This has niacinamide, which is great for oily skin people. It cleanses and removes dirt and oil really efficiently. I really like this. I've been using this twice a day and my skin has been loving it. I highly recommend you guys to check out these cleansers, which are dermat recommended. I'm sure you wouldn't regret it. Try it out today. I'll make sure to link it down below for you guys, so go ahead and check it out. This brand called as House of Makeup. So it's a makeup brand and they've sent me a couple of their products. So they have, this is the product that I've been seeing a lot, which is a skin tint, and then there is a lipstick. There is also this, is this a mascara? No, this is the concealer. This is the cheek tint, and I'm super excited to try these products out, even though I don't do a lot of makeup. But yeah, lately I've been really into makeup. I'd been to a salon to get my brows threaded and also just like get waxed and all of that stuff. But as soon as I entered, the power went off. It's strange actually. I don't even remember the last time there was a power cut. And then I had to go kill some time. So we decided to go to Irani Cafe. Honestly, this has been on my list for so long. You guys know how much I love chai, and I'm not exaggerating. I think I can make a better tea than what they served. Cream roll makes me so nostalgic. I cannot even tell you the number of cream rolls I've eaten growing up. I was obsessed. guys, somebody got a new phone. Nice. This is really cute. I also want to do this.
I can make for you.
Huh? How did you make it?
अरे ते मी तुला करून दे.
Aww.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
I don't know if it's the light, but I think my skin is looking really nice. Guys, this is my favorite thing ever. This is cream roll, which Pranjal has never tried, so I'm going to make her try it. But they have which color? I don't know. Why? It should be white. This doesn't have white cream.
Right.
I don't know, it's like some different color. Anyway, got some chai. So excited to drink my chai. I think the place is functioning or working only for the vibes because it is such a nice. The vibes were like too good, immaculate. Is it just me, or you guys also feel like a new person altogether every single time you get your brows done? Please let me know in the comment section. Made myself some ABC juice. So this is amla, beetroot and carrot in it. I also added a little bit of ginger. I used to drink this a lot, and then I couldn't find amla in the market, but the other day I spotted some amlas and I was like, oh, I really want to like have this again. I want to be so much more regular with consuming this juice. I cannot even tell you the difference it makes in my period cycle, and also the blood flow and everything, and cramps. Oh my god, my periods are so much more easier the months that I have had beetroot juice in my diet. Best consumed on an empty stomach, but I'm still going to, I know I have had food, but I'm still going to have it in the afternoon. Only in my luteal phase. Yeah, I feel so weak. I feel like my body really needs this, so I'm going to drink it. So that I added a little bit of pulp. I don't know if it's called pulp or what, but I just added that for the fiber content, so it's rich in fiber as well. Yeah. My dad on his chata.
असं घेऊ का?
नाही ते असे घालतात ना. You know you're getting old when furniture shopping excites you. Oh my god, I feel like a kid in a Candyland every single time I'm at home center or like wherever, you know, there's furniture and home decor stuff. It's just something. समर्थसाठी शॉपिंग करायला यायचं. समर्थ तर इकडे आणि पप्पा शॉपिंग.
नाही नाही, पप्पांचं होतं पूर्वी, पण मध्ये समर्थ आलाय.
चांगलं कम्फर्टेबल.
लगेच जाणवलं की ह्याच्यामुळे काय माहिती का, जरी स्पीड वाटणार हे ना.
एकदम सॉफ्ट कुशनिंग है और जैसे से आपका वेट बढ़ता है ना सर, ये कुशनिंग लेवल और बढ़ता है और इंक्रीज होगा इसका कुशनिंग लेवल. उसमें आप अंदर देखोगे ना, एक एनर्जी प्लेट दिया हुआ है.
अच्छा, बोला.
आम्ही गेलेलो शूज आणायला आणि पप्पा मी किती फेअर दिसते तुझ्या समोर, पण इट्स ओके.
म्हणजे काय
फेअर फेअर
गोरी तर आहेच ना.
नाही यार,
मम्मी सारखी आहे गोरी.
नाही. बरं बोला,
काय बोलू सांग.
तुम्हाला नाही आवडले शूज?
नाही आवडले शूज, पण अजून एक दोन ठिकाणी चेक करूया.
Yes. We are going to Puma and then we will also check Skechers. I actually wanted to get something from Skechers, but my brother said कि Adidas better है. So my dad really liked the shoes and even I liked it. But still, you know, exploring our options. Let's go. Guys, look, I'm eating chole bhature. Samarth had asked me to order one nawabi thali and I ordered two. Now they have to finish it. Then I also ordered chole bhature for myself. And we have to rush and we have to be somewhere. So yeah, all of us are just like hogging. But this is really good. This is the first time I'm trying Haldiram's mein chole bhature. Damn. Dahi vada.